Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on Shazam. You go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Shazam and we click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.